Good day everyone. I'm not a chef, but today I'm going to show you 3 ways to use cauliflower. You will start with cauliflower kidney bean salad. Cut part of the cauliflower into small florets. Put the cauliflower in a bowl. Add salt, black pepper, coriander powder, turmeric, garlic powder, chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And mix until all the cauliflower is covered with the spices. Spread on a tray, then put in an oven on 250 degrees for 10 minutes. Strain a can of kidney beans, then wash with hot water. Cut half an onion into thin slices. Put the roasted cauliflower in a bowl, add the kidney beans, then the onion, salt, olive oil, and squeeze half a lime. Then mix. Now we will make fried cauliflower. Add 1 cup of flour to a bowl. Add milk. Mix and keep adding milk and mixing until you reach this consistency. Add salt, black pepper, paprika, chili flakes, garlic powder, and mix until homogeneous. Put the cauliflower in the mix and cover it completely. Then deep fry. The third recipe is fried cauliflower rice. Cut 1 medium-sized onion into chunks. Cut a piece of the side of a red bell pepper. Then dice it. Cut a piece of the side of a yellow bell pepper. Then dice it. Cut third of a carrot. Then dice it. Grate the cauliflower into a bowl. You can use the food processor if you want finer cauliflower rice. In a hot wok, add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Put the onion and stir until it starts to caramelize. Add the carrots and stir for 1 minute. Then add the bell pepper and stir until it starts to soften. Add the cauliflower rice and mix. Add salt, black pepper, soy sauce, dates molasses, and mix.